Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Ellarie here, another home edition. Doing a basement tour. It's only taken me like a year. Not because it's been taking a year to construct, but if you follow me on IG, you know the first contractor I had, still pending in court. He ran off with my money, but we finally got it done. There's still like one or two things I'll let you know when we get down there that I have to do, but for the most part, it's complete. And I'm gonna take you on a little tour so you can see the headache that I had to deal with that just turned into like a beautiful little thing. All right. Before I get started, shout out to A.R.E Construction and Basement Audio who constructed this for me when I got rid of the scammer. I will leave their info in the caption. Other than that, Yoshi wants to join me, so.
The one and only.
Yeah, she's a hot mess. Just got out of school, left her, but we have her now. And we're just gonna smooth these edges back and get started. All right, you meet me down there, will you? So it starts with the stairwell, follow me. Just like on my first floor, the stairs were supposed to be wood. But I changed my mind at the last minute because not only did I have a tumble, but Fafa had a tumble up there, and I just realized if they were wood stairs, people would be hurt. Plus, listen to this. You can't hear it, all right? And we got some heavy club-footed kids. So I don't want to hear it running up and down the stairs. It makes it nice and soft. Ladybugs, don't mind them. They're hibernating in my basement for the winter. They're good luck, so I don't mind. Once you go down here, before, this used to be just like an empty space right here. I'm probably showing you a clip of that now. There was no wall right here, but we turned this into a closet. It's a closet slash media rack because when we go in here, you'll see what it's holding, but we have black hardware all throughout. It's just, right now, just full of construction things, and there's a media rack right here that leads into a theater. I have to name this room. This is Yoshi's favorite room of the entire house. I have to name it. Maybe I'll let her name it because you know we can't be simple. We can't be calling it the theater room. You know, we gotta have some pizzazz, right? So I'll let her deal with that. But this is, come on in. This is the theater room. Right now we just have these 4 chairs because the contractor who did my basement could get them in quicker if I did it through him. So we have 4 chairs, and down here we're gonna have like what I'm thinking right now. I'm not quite sure, but it's like it's called corduroys. They're like sofa beanbags that turn into beds. Look it up. I'll put it in the caption, even though I don't have it. Can't back it up. But I wanted to do something like more relaxed, like a beanbag or 2 or 1 down here. I didn't want to put theater chairs down here because in case like I'm entertaining a lot of people, I didn't want to have them take up this space. I wanted to be able to have something I can move out, which I can do with beanbags. We had to have carpet for the acoustics. And I'll show you some of the lighting features, okay? Yeah. We have some sconces right here. They dim. Like that. Is it dimming? It's dimming. It's dimming, all right? And then we also have some lighting. That's my favorite light. Some lighting up here. Yoshi said this is her favorite light. This also dims. So you can make it like your perfect lighting once you watch movies. Over here is the movie theater screen. I'm cutting to a clip where a movie is actually playing so you can see it. Dolby Atmos, which I heard gives you all that real good high quality surround sound that's like, you know, that new. Then over here we have a media rack, which just holds my DVD player. We got the projector up there, and we have a TV up here. Because my idea was, you know, which people thought I was a little bit extra for, but I like karaoke. My idea was you have the karaoke TV right here. It swivels out this way so that people can perform. Look up here while looking at the audience, opposed to backs turned and reading the screen, you know? It's all about the details. It's all about the details. And basically that's it. All these little white panels you see right here are speakers, and this is our theatre. Now she's going to show you how to move back. This is a wine glass holder for all the mommies out there, you know, that love their wine. And the chairs also light up at the bottom.
I don't know what that's for though.
Because if like the lights are out and you just want the glowing blue light, you have that feature.
That's dramatic.
It is dramatic, but you know, we're dramatic. We can also charge our phone right here, and this is a table for popcorn. No phones in the movie theater. It's very important. And you can also add extra one of these. I'll let you guys know where I got these shirts from.
And you can take it out and replace it. See, you replace it and put that right.
Just like that. Just like that. Moving on. Then when we exit out of this room, sorry about the echo. It's an empty basement tour, so you're gonna have the echo. We head into the game room, which is right over here to the right, aka Castle Black. You know, because if you saw my empty house tour, I called my house Castle, like not a castle, but Castle. You know, my name tagged onto it. So this is Castle Black. Anybody familiar with Game of Thrones? I'm sure you are.
I am.
Alright, so this is Castle Black. Paper blinds up for right now. I had a neon party recently. If you saw me on IG, you know it was lit, like literally. She wasn't allowed to be there. That's why she's salty right now. So this is a beer pong table I got on Amazon. We got the neon tape on it because that was part of the theme. But that's how I'm gonna stay here. Not really sure exactly what I'm gonna do in this room, but I know this room is gonna be more so for games and for kids. Because the adult room is right over here. We have 2 barn doors right here. Custom made. I really wanted big doors because upstairs I have a regular size door. I've always been obsessed with big doors, so down here I was able to fill that dream because I was designing myself. This was something I wasn't budging on. I wanted more doors. So if the adults are in the living room, you can shut these 2 doors as such, block out some of the noise and the cuss words. And we can still peek in on the kids from the other side through what we call the daycare window. We do a lot of adult things, you know, and we have kids. So instead of them being upstairs and we worrying about them, we'd rather have them in here because there's going to be a TV on that wall. So they can be in here watching TV, playing games or whatever. The adults will be on the other side of the wall doing what we do. And whenever we need to see what they're doing, we just peek over the wall. Very simple. No, these kids. Gotta keep your eye on them. So now, we go into the living room. Into the living room, we have a pool table. It has a cover that's in a different room, but it covers so that you can actually eat on it. There's benches down here that hide all the equipment. And then the table that goes on top of here reverses into a ping pong table. You'll see it when we go into the other room, but this right here is my logo. I'm not sure if by this video you guys will know what this logo represents or not, so I'm just gonna tell you now. Yes, it looks like lips off first glance, but I actually designed it to look like L. You have the E right here, the L right here, and the L right here. So it's like the beginning of my name in the shape of my lips. Creative, right? I know. Thank you. I appreciate it. So we got the pool table right here. Out here obviously leads to
The pool.
the pool.
COLOURPOP.
And my deck, we're not gonna go out there, but that leads outside. Over here, we already have the TV hung. A couch is gonna go right here. I already kind of picked it out. It's gonna be a little cheap couch, but you know, with friends, you gotta make sure you don't have no expensive stuff. So I have a neon light with my name on it, courtesy of Huda Beauty. They sent me this a while back, and I couldn't wait to put it somewhere, so we put it down here. Look at that. You see that? You see that? Who that? Move out the way. Who that? Who that is? Not me. This is the TV that was in my old living room. Over here, we have the bathroom. See, the neon party decorations are still up. But it's just a typical bathroom. You got the sink, the toilet, a little area over here where I'm probably gonna put some floating shelves. And then we have the shower over here for people when they go in the pool. They don't have to go into the main house. The glass door is missing. I didn't know that wasn't included in the budget. I know now. I just don't know when they're gonna put it in, so. And last but not least, oh, this isn't last but not least. Through this hallway right here, we have the kitchen, which upstairs, you guys know when I said in my empty house tour, I wasn't completely happy with the way the kitchen was made. But down here, I got to have a lot more of my taste, if I have one. And we have the white cabinets, the black hardware. We got a fridge over here. Bam! Hella cabinets down here. We have our pendant lights up here. These are black light bulbs that aren't gonna stay here, but like I said, I had a neon party and the theme is still rocking up here. But we have the gold pendant lights to bounce off of this black. Is this marble or granite? I think this is granite. It's granite, black tiny top right here with the gold speckles. It's really hard to keep black clean, but you see this. You see the specks. You see the specks. So pretty much the colors in this whole basement are gonna be gray, black, and gold, and white. Yeah. We got a sink, we got a stove, got a hood bed. The only thing we're missing in this kitchen is a microwave and an oven, which we have 2 ovens upstairs, and eventually I will get a microwave down here. Just not a priority right now. This will be covered. This is just a closet, a pretty deep closet. I'm just gonna keep like party stuff, holiday stuff in here. Over here we have a room. It's pretty dark because I have to change out the light bulbs. These are the light bulbs the contractor left. I'm gonna use this. Hopefully, you know, if y'all support Stilo, which if you don't know what Stilo is, go to my Instagram page at Stilo. Hopefully this will become a full-on like workshop for my merchandise. You know, I just need you guys to support. It will be out very soon. So you guys will see what's in these drawers and what's getting made up in here. This is the top of the pool table that I was talking about. This is the ping pong side, it's black. And then the other side is just wood gray if we want to eat on it. There will be a door right here, but it's just not in yet. Coming soon. And there is a little closet over here. So the idea for this room is once the doors are up to put like a couch sofa right here and a TV over there and just kind of utilize the rest of the space to work in for the merch. If the merch doesn't work out, then might have to sell the house. I'm just kidding. Then we come over here. Might put some artwork or something up there. And this is just another extra room. Yoshi wants it to be an exercising room. So I'll probably have a TV up here.
Treadmill.
Another sofa couch right here. And then somewhere a treadmill, some type of weightlifting situation in here. That's a plan right now. Things can always change, you know. I don't like to have to say anything for too long, so I plan on the whole house evolving as we look at it, you know? And yeah, that's my basement, pretty much.
I'm glad you were crying last time.
Was I crying?
Yes.
Oh,
You were like, oh, it's so fun.
But I don't regret it at all. There's a lot of space for us now to live and to grow. Hopefully not grow out of. The ultimate goal is to buy land and build, but I think this is always going to be our forever home. So it's our first home. It will be paid off, so maybe, you know, if she doesn't turn into like an undeserving child, his home will become hers. So that's about it for this empty basement tour. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to A.R.E Construction and Basement Audio for constructing this whole basement for me. I will leave their info as well in the caption if you're in the Atlanta metro area. I don't even know what metro area means, but it sounds like that's what you're supposed to say. I will leave all their info in the caption. So yeah, that's about it. Till next time, love you guys. Bye.